안녕하세요 여러분, 루시예요. 저랑 같이 한국어 공부하실래요? 그럼 구독해주세요. Hi guys, this is Lucietta Park introducing you to the 4th episode of Korean for Beginners series. In this video, we'll be learning 2 more triplets, and by triplets I mean a trio of letters in Korean which sound very similar to Korean learners. I also said in my last video that I am teaching the triplets together so that you get to differentiate between them better. Plus, I also taught one triplet as an example, which was Gha, Kha and Ka. Now, before starting, I'm gonna be pairing all the letters with the A vowel. Alright, let's focus on to today's first triplet. So in this triplet, this is the base and it is usually romanized as a D from dog, but this is far from correct. It does have a D sound, but it actually has a sound of TH from there. So you see, it's a lot more softer than a D sound that it is usually romanized as. Da, da, da. Now, if you just add one more line to the middle of the da consonant, you get its aspirated version, tha. Now, this has more of a soft T sound, but it doesn't really have an equivalent in English, so listen closely. Tha, tha, tha. Now let's talk about the double consonant. So if you just write the base consonant twice, we get the double consonant, but obviously we need to write it in a very small font because we want it to take the same amount of space as the other consonants. Now this sound again has no equivalent in English. It has a lot of pressure and is spoken with the least amount of air of the trio. Listen closely. Ta, ta, ta. Now, can you guess what I'm trying to say right now? First, tha, tha. Yes, it is tha. Second, dha, dha, dha. Yes, it is dha, which means more in Korean. It's an adverb. The third one is to, to, to. Now this is to, and it means again in Korean. Now let's focus on to the second triplet. Now there are a lot of sources which do not use handwritten Korean when teaching Hangul, so it might look like this, but it is actually written like this. Now this is the sound of J in English, but is a lot more softer, as you might have guessed already. This again has no equivalent in English, so listen closely. Jha, jha, jha. Now if we add a small line to the top of the base consonant, we get its aspirated version, cha. Right? Now this has a sound of CH from chair, right? But then again, it's a bit softer. Listen closely. Cha, cha. By the way, cha also means tea in Korean. Now let's look at the double version of the J triplet. Now here again, if we write the base consonant twice, we get the double consonant cha. This also is like ta, the double consonant from the D trio, and has a bit of a pump or pressure at the start and is pronounced with the least air of the trio. Some listening practice again. Cha, cha, cha. This triplet also follows the rule that I told you about in the last video, and by that I mean that the base and the aspirated consonants are pronounced with a bit more air when they are at the start of the word than if they were at the middle or the end of the word. Now let us take a quiz. First, da, da, da. Yes, it is da. Second, ta, ta, ta. Yes, it is ta. Third, tha, tha. Yes, it is tha. Fourth, cha, cha, cha. Yes, it is cha, and it meant tea in Korean. Next, cha, cha, cha. Yes, it is cha. Next, cha, cha, cha. Did I trick you? It is cha. Now, last one. Jha, jha, jha. Yes, it is jha. Now, this is not the end of the video. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I give Korean vocabulary lists at the end of videos related to Korean. So, here it is. Computer, computer. TV, TV. 아파트, apartment. 단어, words, nouns. 언어, languages. 이유, reason. 뜻, meaning. Alright guys, that was basically it for the video. Stay around for the next one and I'll meet you there.